Plant FAQs. Hoya Macgillivrayi. What is Hoya Macgillivrayi? Hi there, Vu here, and today we're diving into the world of the Hoya Macgillivrayi, an eye-catching climber native to Australia. This beauty boasts not only stunning foliage but also fragrant, star-shaped blooms. Over the years, I've been captivated by Hoyas, and the Macgillivrayi holds a special place in my collection. Let's address some common questions fellow plant enthusiasts might have. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsterholic.com. Light, bright and direct, the key to success. Imagine a thriving rainforest understory. That's the ideal light situation for your Hoya Macgillivrayi. Direct sun can scorch the leaves, so avoid south-facing windows. East or west with some sheer filtering is perfect. Signs of insufficient light include leggy growth and a reluctance to flower. Water, the art of finding the balance. These Hoyas are like camels, storing water in their fleshy leaves. Overwatering is a cardinal sin, leading to root rot. The key is to let the soil dry completely between waterings. A moisture meter can be your best friend here. Wilting leaves are a good indicator of thirst, but don't wait until they're completely limp. Soil, mimicking the rainforest floor. Think well-draining and airy. Opt for a succulent or orchid mix, or create your own by combining potting mix with perlite or cocoa coir. This allows for good air circulation around the roots, preventing rot. Humidity, the higher, the merrier. Hailing from the tropical rainforest of Australia, your Hoya Macgillivrayi thrives in high humidity. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or investing in a humidifier can create a more tropical environment. Regular misting can help, but it's not a substitute for consistent humidity. Temperature, keeping it comfortable. These Hoyas prefer warm temperatures, ideally between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations and keep them away from cold drafts. Fertilizer, a light touch does wonders. During the active growing season, spring and summer, a diluted balanced fertilizer applied monthly can be beneficial. However, less is always more. Over-fertilizing can damage the roots and hinder flowering. Propagation, sharing the love. Hoya Macgillivrayi readily propagates from stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with a couple of nodes, dip it in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a well-draining mix. Keep it moist and provide warmth and indirect light. Patience is key. New growth can take weeks to appear. Common issues and how to fix them. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking insects look like cottony white fluff. Isolate the plant, dab the bugs with rubbing alcohol, or use insecticidal soap. Scale. These appear as hard bumps on the leaves or stems. Scrape them off with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol or use neem oil spray. Yellowing leaves. This could be a sign of overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering routine and check the light conditions. Hoya Macgillivrayi versus Hoya Carnosa. Common Hoya side-by-side look. Both Hoyas are beloved for their beautiful foliage and blooms. Here's a quick comparison. Feature Hoya Macgillivrayi. Hoya Carnosa, common Hoya. Leaf size larger, up to 8 inches smaller, up to 3 inches leaf shape elliptical, pointed tip oval, rounded tip flower color mauve to deep purple pink, white, or red flower fragrant sweet citrus and gardenia mild, honey-like growth habit climbing, vining. The final word, a rewarding addition to your collection. The Hoya Macgillivrayi is a stunning and relatively low-maintenance plant. With proper care, you'll be rewarded with lush foliage and fragrant blooms. So, if you're looking for a unique climber to add a touch of the tropics to your home, this Hoya might just be your perfect match.